Good morning, dear children. We shall begin our class today, and today we shall do Total English. Okay, Total English practice paper number 11. Till 10 we have completed, and today we have to do the exercises given in practice paper number 11. Okay, practice paper number 11 exercises are given on page number 171 and 172. So, without any delay, let's begin today's class. So, first exercise that is given, fill in the numbered blanks with the correct form of the word given in the brackets. Do not copy the passage, but write in correct serial order the word or phrase appropriate to the blank space. Okay, so as you are familiar with this exercise 5a, that in this what you have to do, you have to write the correct form of the word that is given in the bracket, and when you will write this answer, when you will solve this question in the exam, you don't have to copy the whole passage, only you have to write the answers, okay, in sequence. So here we start the passage that is given. So at first I will read out, and then in the second time we shall try to frame out the answers. Nasruddin dash, a renowned scholar, for a meal in a local restaurant where they ordered for 2 fish. A few minutes later, the waiter dashed out a platter with 2 fish on it, one of which was quite a bit bigger than the other. Nasruddin took the bigger fish. Nasruddin, a look of intense disbelief, the scholar told him that what he was not only selfish but also the principles of good etiquettes. Nasruddin listened to the philosopher patiently and said, "Well, sir, what would you dash?" "I, being a gentleman, the smaller fish for myself." "And here you are," said Nasruddin, and the smaller fish on the scholar's plate. Okay, so as you read down the passage, so you should try to frame out the passage that in which tense it is going on, and where inverted commas are there, that is where actual words will be there in the present. Okay, so everything you have to keep in mind, that while reading the passage you should try to frame out that in which form the story could be written, the passage could be written. Okay, so here we read once again. Nasruddin accompanied, okay, that is given, already solved and given. Nasruddin accompanied a renowned scholar for a meal in a local restaurant where they ordered for 2 fish. A few minutes later, the waiter dashed out a platter, that is, the waiter brought out a platter with 2 fish on it, with 2 baked fish on it, one of which was quite a bit bigger than the other. Nasruddin took the bigger fish. Nasruddin, a look of intense disbelief. So what will be there? That giving Nasruddin a look of intense disbelief, the scholar told him that what he was not only selfish, what he did, okay, that is in the past, what he did was not only selfish but also violated the principles of good etiquettes. Okay, violated. Then next one, Nasruddin listened to the philosopher patiently and said, "Well, sir, what would you that is, what would you have done?" Now see, inverted commas are there. The sentence is given in the inverted comma. That is, the actual words will be there. So what would you have done? "I, being a gentleman, dash the smaller fish for myself. So, what is given? That I, being a gentleman, would have taken the smaller fish for myself. And here you are, said Nasruddin, and placed the smaller fish on the scholar's plate. Okay, I hope it is clear, children. So first answer is brought, second one baked, third one giving, fourth did, fifth violated, sixth have done, seven would have taken, and eighth placed. Okay, now B exercise. Fill in each blanks with an appropriate word. So first one is, I will go to the airport and see them dash. I will go to the airport and see them dash. So see them off. O-double-F. Now you know that what is the meaning of see off? See off is a phrasal verb that means to bid goodbye to someone. That is when you come to airport or when you come to railway station to bid someone, that is to bid someone from there, that is to say them goodbye, then in that case we use the phrasal verb see off. It is one of the best stories I have come dash. Okay, so it is very simple. I have come across. It is one of the best stories I have come across. Third one, the noise is too loud, but you will have to put dash with it. You will have to put up with it. Put up with is a phrasal verb. Okay, you should keep on learning these phrasal verbs, their meaning. So what is the meaning of put up with? Put up with means that is to tolerate, to endure. Okay, so here the noise is too loud, but you will have to put up with it. Then fourth one, please fill dash the details in the form. Please fill in. Okay, fill in. What is the meaning of fill in? Fill in is a phrasal verb that means that is to fill the missing information in the form. We use fill in at the places where we have to fill the missing information in any of the forms. Okay, many of the children may write here fill up. That is absolutely wrong, children. So fill in is the correct preposition. Can we count dash you to help us? So can we count dash? Can we count on? Okay, can we count on you to help us? Now what is the meaning of count on? Count on means that is to depend on someone or something. Okay, count on means that is to depend on someone or something. So here sentence is given, can we count on you to help us? That is, can we look for your help? Can we count on? Count on means that is when do we use this phrasal verb? We use it when we depend on someone or something. Then next question, question number 6. They discussed the issue dash a cup of tea. They discussed the issue over a cup of tea. Then seventh one, the plane touched dash at London at 11 a.m. So the plane touched down at London at 11 a.m. Touched down. Now touchdown is again a phrasal verb that is used for the landing of the aircrafts. Okay, so always you should keep in mind that the plane touched down at London at 11 a.m. Now question number 8. I can't make dash what he means. I can't make dash. That is, I can't make out what he means. Now what is the meaning of make out? Make out is a phrasal verb that means I can't guess, that I was not having any idea. So here I can't make out what he means, that is I couldn't understand what he actually meant. Then exercise C we shall start. and join the following sentences to make one complete sentence without using and, but, so. Okay, these three conjunctions are there that you have to not use. This you have to keep in mind, children. Okay, so first question that is given: he works hard, he has to support his old parents. He works hard, he has to support his old parents. So what is the answer for this? That he works hard to help his, it is given support. He works hard to support his old parents. Okay, he works hard to support his old parents. Then question number second, turn the page. The student was foolish. He told lies before the principal. The student was foolish. He told lies before the principal. So, what is the answer? The student was foolish enough to tell lies before the principal. Okay, the student was foolish enough to tell lies before the principal. Now, next one, question number third. Take an umbrella, it may rain. Take an umbrella, it may rain. So it is very simple, children. So what is answer for this? That take an umbrella as it may rain. Or you can also write that take an umbrella because it may rain. So use of as or because. Anything can be there. Now question number 4. Last one of this exercise. Varun will come back in July. If not, he will come back in August. So, answer for this that Varun will come back either in July or in August. So, you have to use either or conjunction because option is there. Because out of two, one has to be chosen. So, Varun will come back either in July or in August. Okay. Now, exercise D. Rewrite the following sentences according to the instructions given after each and make other changes that may be necessary but do not change the meaning of each sentence. First question that is given. He conducted the show like a trained artist. He conducted the show like a trained artist. So you have to use as if in your answer. Okay, so what will be answer? He conducted the show as if he was a trained artist. Okay, he conducted the show as if he was a trained artist. Next one, second one. She said, "May God be with you." So you have to begin with she prayed that. Okay, that is from indirect to direct you have to change. So it will be she prayed that God might be with you. Okay, she prayed that God might be with you. Question number third. They demanded to know what had happened. They demanded to know what had happened. Now in your answer you have to use insist. Okay, so what you can write? That is they insisted on knowing what had happened. They insisted on. Okay, with insist preposition on comes. So they insisted on knowing what had happened. Question number 4. No sooner did I enter the train than I started. Very simple. Okay, many times you have learned that use of no sooner. So you have to here change into as soon as. So as soon as I entered, ed will be there. Okay, no sooner, as soon as I entered the train, comma, it started. Okay, no, as soon as I entered the train, comma, it started. Now question number 5. Because of his busy schedule, he could not attend the meeting. Because of his busy schedule, he could not attend the meeting. Now you have to begin your answer with his busy schedule. So his busy schedule prevented him to attend the meeting. Okay, his busy schedule prevented him to attend the meeting. Now question number 6. The team consisted of 10 singers and a music teacher. In your answer you have to use comprised. Now you know that what is the meaning of comprised? Comprised itself means consist of. Okay, so in this children make mistake, and what they make mistake, that they use of with comprise also in the answer, which is absolutely wrong, children. Okay, so what is the answer of this? That the team comprised 10 singers and a music teacher. Okay, the team comprised 10 singers and a music teacher. Question 7. He could never have imagined that he would become famous. So you have to begin with never. Okay, so keep that in mind, that when we begin our answer with negative word, so it is followed by did there. Okay, especially never, that never did. Never did he imagine. Okay, because did is there, so first form of the verb will come. So never did he imagine that he would become famous. Once again, keep that in mind and you mark this also, that never did he imagine that he would become famous. Now question number 8. As soon as I lit the candle, I saw somebody hiding behind the curtain. So you have to begin with no sooner. So no sooner did I lit the candle than I saw somebody hiding behind the curtain. Okay, so no sooner did I lit, because three forms of lit are lit. So with lit, first form of the verb will be there, that no sooner did I lit the candle than I saw somebody hiding behind the curtain. Okay children, I hope this exercise is clear to you. Page number 171 and 172. Okay, page number, and you practice next practice paper exercises, and in the next class we shall discuss that also. Okay, goodbye dear children.